The resurrection of this 1950 Cadillac Hearse is picking up speed every single day. After gutting the rotted-out interior and ripping apart the entire engine bay, today we're hitting the moment you've all been waiting for, dropping a brand new heart into this beast, a 600 horsepower engine. But with a powerhouse this heavy, I can't just drop it in and hope for the best. First, I've got to build a rock-solid front frame brace, something strong enough to carry the weight of what's coming. From this point on, everything gets louder, wilder, and more intense. This isn't just a restoration. This is a rebirth in steel and muscle. I'll be honest, there's still a lot of work to do. But trust me, the best part is still to come. What do you think of the build so far? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's talk about it. And if you don't want to miss a single moment of this build, hit that follow button, smash the like, and share this video with your crew. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.